Introducing the Bissell CleanView Helix Bagless Vacuum with maximum power for total home cleaning. The exclusive Helix system captures dirt and other debris by using the internal ribs incorporated into the easy empty dirt container to force dirt, dust, and debris to the bottom of the tank for an even greater performance, while the easy-to-use tools allow you to thoroughly clean carpets, bare floors, and hard-to-reach areas. You can also attach the Turbo Brush tool to remove dirt and debris from upholstery and stairs. The HEPA media filter captures 99.9% of pollens and ragweed from the air passing through it to keep your home cleaner and healthier. And forget inconvenient vacuum bags. When finished, simply remove and empty the easy empty dirt container. The Bissell CleanView Helix Bagless Vacuum. Maximum power for total home cleaning.